Hey, Force Sensitives. Darth and Magnus here, coming at you with another 15 move demonstration. Alright, I'm going to refrain on using the sound on my saber so you can hear my voice at home. Okay, let's get started. You're going to start off with the blade in your right hand. Okay, you'll go hook head, back hook body, and as you back hook that body, turn into a lead side kick, flip the blade into an elbow jab body. Then you're going to go rear hook head, flip the blade to your left, lead back hook head, lead jab head, flip the blade into a lead elbow uppercut. Then you're going to flip the blade back into your right hand. All right. You'll go jab head, high block, hook head, mid block to the right, jab the head, reverse the grip, hook the head into a back hook head. Okay? So let's count them off. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay? All right, let's have some fun. Death to the ceiling fan! Alright. I'm Darth and Magnus. Thank you for stopping by. May the Force be with you, but may the balance keep you, my friends. You guys take care.